What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them, and most of all sharing them. So in today's video we are going to be making two side tables for one of my clients as our previous video, but for this one it's a bit different. Anyway, if this is the first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. We have a lot of variety of videos in this channel. You can visit our channel, watch more of our content, and hopefully that you will like them. But I know you will like them because we do a variety of DIYs in this channel. Transformation videos, DIYs, makeovers, among others. So, after cutting all the pieces together, or cutting all the pieces for these side tables, I'm starting by joining the pieces together, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. So now here I'm just joining them, and I hope you will watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand how I did attach these pieces or made these side tables so that you can try one of your own. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Enjoy the video.